Hi viewers, welcome to Assam. Today I am going to make bottle gourd paratha. For that I have taken a piece of bottle gourd. I am going to grate this. After grating the dudhi, I had mixed salt and haldi powder and kept it. It will ooze out water. Coriander leaves chopped, onion chopped, green chili and garlic crushed, 2 garlic cloves and 1 green chili I have crushed it, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, quarter teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon white sesame seed, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon besan I have taken. Now we'll mix all these things, then we'll mix the atta in this. I have mixed everything, added 1 teaspoon of oil also in this. Now we will add the wheat flour in this and make a dough. I am adding 1 cup of wheat flour in this. I have not added water at all in this. The dough is ready. If you are making stuffed paratha, then you have to squeeze out the water from the dudhi, that is bottle gourd. Then mix the other ingredients. Now see, 1 cup of bottle gourd and 1 cup of atta. This is sufficient without adding water. Now we'll keep the dough for 5 to 10 minutes. Then we'll start making the paratha. I have divided the dough into 6 balls, equal balls. Now we'll roll out the paratha. The paratha is rolled out. Now we'll place the paratha on the tawa. Tawa is greased. One side is cooked. We'll add some oil or ghee in it. If you are making the stuffed paratha, squeeze out the water from this ready. We'll remove it. I'll place the other one and continue the process for the remaining parathas. Grate the dudhi and add some salt and keep it aside so that it will lose out the water and you can squeeze out, and that water you can use it for making the dough. Do not waste it. While rolling out the paratha, I had to add little bit of flour in this because it was slightly loose. I was unable to roll out the paratha properly. It was sticking to the platform. The healthy Dudhi Paratha is ready to serve along with curd, pickle, raita, the way you want. I have already posted one video of this, but slightly there is a variation in this paratha ingredients, so you can check that also. A tasty paratha, Dudhi Paratha is ready to serve. I am serving this with curd. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and press the bell icon and all, so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.